Please welcome on this channel. I welcome you back on this channel. So today I'm back with another video, and I'm going to show you how to speed up your HTTP custom. First of all, if you need this app to achieve a super fast speed using it, make sure it is updated. Head over to Google Play Store, search for HTTP custom, ensure that it's on its list update and it is functioning properly. If you're unsure if your app is functioning properly, you can uninstall it, then install it again to ensure that you have the original version of this app. So how to speed it up? These are the steps.
In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of configuring UDP settings in the HTTP custom app. By following these steps, you can increase your internet speed, optimize your app's performance, and enhance your internet connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the HTTP custom app. Launch the HTTP custom app on your device. Step 2. Tap the puzzle icon. Locate and tap the puzzle icon within the app. This icon typically represents the settings or configuration options. Step 3. Select UDP settings. From the Settings menu, select the UDP settings option. This will allow you to customize the UDP parameters for your connection. Step 4. Set the UDP configuration. Configure the following parameters based on your preferences. Buffer size. Set the buffer size to 64. TX, transmit, set TX to 30. RX, receive, set RX to 30. Step 5, apply the configuration. After setting the desired values, locate and tap the Apply button to implement the UDP configuration changes. Congratulations! You have successfully configured UDP settings in the HTTP custom app. By adjusting the buffer size, transmit, and receive parameters, you can optimize your app's performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a comment. Thank you for watching, and enjoy an enhanced internet experience with the HTTP custom app.